I'm Jessica from Chambray Blues, and this is the sew along for the Pendleton 49er wool shirt. You can buy the pattern from Pendleton. It runs about $15. Currently, as of the date of making the video, it only goes from sizes small to large. They don't have extended sizes, but I did hear that they were working on doing extended sizes for this style. So if you're a larger size, be patient. They might have some coming out. Meanwhile, I graded up my own shirt from the large to a 2X, and I'll have a different video on how to do that, but this is just how to sew the shirt. So I just wanted to show you, this is a Pendleton men's wool shirt, probably from about 1970. It was my father's, and I have several of them in my collection. And it's just a really great classic style. So like the pattern, this has a convertible collar where you can button it underneath the collar flap if you like and wear it closed, or you can wear it open and it has the appearance of having a two-piece facing, but it really has just one piece. And it's a really great style. The men's shirt has the chest pocket with a flap on it. Some of the newer men's shirts do not have the flap. They eliminated that in their styling later on. And then, of course, across the back it has a yoke. This one isn't matched as well as I would like to see the plaid match, but it's still a great quality piece. There it has pleats here in the back, and then this has the suede patches on the elbows along with the placket and cuff. So when I make my women's shirt, I'm going to put a lot of these men's details into my women's shirt. I'm going to find some faux suede and add that to it, and I'm going to do some of the same detailing here. Some of it's outlined in the pattern and some of it isn't, but I'm going to put it into the video so you have your choice to make yours either way. So let's get started.